So, hello everyone, welcome to HW. My name is Harsh, and with me we have Vijay. So, this is the another session which we'll be doing today on Sketchup tutorial. It's a kind of live session. It's not exactly live, but yeah, Vijay will be doing the modeling of a bed, and yeah, let's do it together. If I have any questions, I'll ask him in between because I'm not very good on SketchUp. I would say I'm a beginner in SketchUp. So let us start. So Vijay, over to you.
Okay, guys, let us today create a bed. Let us choose first the rectangle tool. Select the origin. Make a rectangle of 50, 15 millimeter. Go to push pull tool. Select the face and give value of 100. Okay, now let us create another rectangle like this. Go to push pull tool and give a value of 450 mm. This is the leg of the bed. Select this leg, right click and make group. Go to move tool. Sorry.
You
Let us
grouped
again
the
create.
complete item.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Yeah.
Then we create
We need to
again.
group just the leg, I guess, right?
Yes, right. Actually, I made a mistake. First, I should
It's
group
okay.
this
It's
body.
yeah, we do it
Right click make
again.
group. Go to rectangle tool and select this point. And make a square of 100, comma 100 mm. Now go to push pull tool. Select this space and give value of 450 mm. Now we can group it. Double click it, right click and make group. Go to move tool and select this point with control and drag it here like this. Similarly, other legs also we can do by same procedure.
Mm.
Go to move tool, select this point, press control and place it here. Again select this point, press control and place it here. So our basic structure of the bed is ready.
Mm.
We can now add some extra features also, like select this point and make a rectangle of 100, comma 850. Go to push pull tool and give value of 350 mm. Okay, I made a simple bed just for
Yeah,
to
I
teach
understand.
me
I understand. It's just the basically what you have done is you have given a basic idea of how
how
it
to
is
use
to
the
be done
tools.
for the very beginner thing of people, and I think it's good for me also. Now we know that how to start it and how to proceed. The very common main thing which I have understood is to group them while we move them, and I think it automatically snaps whenever we
Yes,
take
right.
it to. And of course, I understand that we will be giving the measurements with the help of the coordinates system x, comma y. Yeah, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, do you want? I mean, there is a lot of thing which can be done onto it, but this
Yeah,
is
right.
something which we started very unprepared at the moment. So we will be bringing up something good right now. So this is again just a test video. And leave your comments. How do you think it makes sense to have two people discussing together uh, while doing the tutorial? It may be sometimes confusing, but I think it also clarifies many points. So yeah, leave your feedback, please.
Okay, guys, please support us. Subscribe my channel. Subscribe our channel, and like the video.
Yeah,
Thank
yeah,
you.
we are into it for since 4 years, and we do understand that we don't give any voice over to the videos, which is our on our part, but we will be improving the qualities as we move forward. All we need is your support, your feedback, and if you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and leave a like. Thank you, thank you all.
Thank you all.